Hi friends, this is Gautam from Zendalona. Welcome to the video tutorial series on online accessible bluff game. In the previous video, we have covered all the shortcuts for gameplay. In this video, we will explore the keys for in-game chatting. We will also see the fundamental aspects of the gameplay itself. We got an option to send instant text messages while we are playing. We can focus instant text message entry by pressing the backspace key.
Backspace. Message entry. Opens menu.
We can type the needed text message here and press enter to send.
HI_HO.ARE space YOU. Return GM. Hi, how are you?
Then, before using the voice message option, we can do the echo test. Echo test can be done if we hold down the key W. Echo test can be used to detect the problems in the sound settings. So, we are holding down W.
Alert. Alert.love.zendalona.com wants to use your microphone.
Initially, when we try to access the voice features, microphone access will be requested through a dialog box like this. There, we have options to block or allow the use of microphone. We can use tab to navigate and enter key to select.
Block push button, tab. Allow push button, left shift. Block push button, tab. Allow push button, return. Notification: this page is accessing your microphone. Change this setting in the address bar. GM player 1.
Then, to chat through voice message, we have to press down the key D to record the voice message. And to stop recording, we can release the key. So, we are pressing down the key D and saying the voice message. This is a voice message.
Recording stopped. Recording sent.
This is a voice message. Then, to send the voice message, we can use the key V. Then, the key E can be used to pause or play the voice, and O to play the last voice message, and Y plays the previous audio while U the next audio. Now the shuffling is done. As we know, during the game, single or multiple cards can be selected. And the player who goes first in a round has the option to choose the bluff text. On the bluff text, the player can either reveal the true rank of the card or bluff about the rank of the card. For example, the card selected can be K, and on the bluff text, the player can claim it to be J, or the player can choose to type K itself. So let's select a card.
Tab. Heart suit joker push tab. Black clubber push button, tab. Spade suitor push button, tab. Black diamond 3 push button, unselected.
Let's select this card by pressing enter.
Return. Selected. 3 selected.
We know that the key J can be used to place the selected card. We are pressing J.
J. Bluff.zendalona.com says dialog. Please enter bluff text. Please enter bluff text. Please enter bluff text entry. P. Type in text.
Now we can enter the bluff text. Let's type 2.
2.
So we are bluffing here. For the remainder of the round, the bluff text remains unchanged, and players can either claim that the cards they are placing match the rank stated in the bluff text or choose to pass their turn. So we are pressing enter key.
Return. Black diamond 3 push button. Selected.
After placing a card, the racing time will start with a sound, and this racing time lasts for 9 seconds.
Bluff. Audio playing Chromium incognito frame.
This is the sound that indicates the race time.
Focus mode. Bluff.
We can either race or pass.
2 of 2. GM played 1 card as 3. Race time over. It's GM turn.
To raise, we had to press F.
Cards placed. Race time starts. Bluff. Audio playing Chromium Incognito frame. Black club F. Raised cards state suit 5. GM got the penalty. Player 1 got the turn. New round. It's your turn. Current round over.
So we raised the placed card. If bluff text is true, the card goes to the player who raised it. However, if the bluff text is not true, the player who placed the cards has to take them back as a penalty. Here, the player who raised the card got it wrong, so the player who raised it got the penalty. In a round where all players choose to pass, the round concludes, and a new round starts with the last player who chose pass getting the first turn. Any player who neither chooses to place cards nor pass within their allocated 3-minute time will be marked as inactive. We can use semicolon to pass the chance. In a round where all players choose pass, the round concludes, and a new round starts with the last player who chose pass getting the first turn. When a player's profile is in the inactive list, which is equal to pass, that means that player does not get to participate in that round of the game. If a player remains inactive for 2 consecutive rounds, they will be blacklisted and will not be allowed to participate in the following rounds. If there are network issues, disconnection will be announced, and when the player reconnects, that too will be announced. After a player wins, others can continue playing until only one player is left with the cards. A list will be displayed with the ranks of all the winning users once the game ends. Then, competency levels will be assessed after 11 games and displayed within the competency profile section on the account homepage. The levels displayed will include good, very good, excellent, and expert. These levels are based on marks, and marks are based on where the player finishes after a particular game. That is the basics of the gameplay. And if there are any doubts or suggestions, please leave a comment.